Welcome to the Media Arts and Communications Academy, where your creative vision comes to life. Our program offers pathways into audio-video production, as well as graphic arts and illustration. Students interested in the audio-video production track will gain hands-on experience in editing software, such as Adobe Premiere and After Effects, as well as given the opportunity to receive an industry certification. We offer some of the latest technology in video capturing, broadcasting, and prepare students for real-world experiences when working with local clients. Did we also mention we offer preparation for a drone certification? Students interested in graphic arts and illustration will have a stronger learning of Adobe Photoshop, as well as receive a certification in Photoshop. With an emphasis on creativity, students will create their own projects, as well as have a chance to work with local businesses and share their work with the community. For more information about the Media Arts and Communications Academy, as well as our other academies, please visit us at hcisd.org.